For the peer assessment 1, I have extended one of examples programs given, Sonic Painter, altering the sound, the graphics and more things. I'm going to explain what my finally program does. First of all, I've changed the size so that it fits to the computer screen, being easily visible without going up and down or left to right. I didn't want to change the background color, so the command is the same as in the example, background with a 0, so the background will be black. I will discuss everything that refers to the sound at the end of the explanation. Inside MouseDragged, I have codes that allow me to be able to draw a continuous line with certain characteristics when I drag with the mouse on the PC or my finger on my mobile. When I define variables for the colors, I put these lines at the beginning of MouseDragged. Each of these lines map the mouse position to a value that can be used for a color. Referring mouse X from 0 to full wet, and the numbers 0 and 255 represent the minimum and maximum color value that the mouse should be mapped to. I've changed some parameters to create other color effects different from the example. This line set the red variable based on how far the mouse is from the middle of the screen. I've changed the color green of the example to red, because with the above mentioned changes, the effects of colors in this way I liked more than before. In the MouseDragged, we also have this code where I increased the value alpha in order to fade out the drawing on the screen more quickly. In the end, there was a code in the example that drew the line reflected in the vertical line down the center of the screen. I've changed this code, so now draws the line reflected in the horizontal line down the center of the screen. The last thing, I changed audio 1 and 2. So I modified these codes. I loaded another as well. So I added these 3 codes. You can see there that I changed the volume of audio 2 and audio 3. I would like to specify that I don't make it loop so sound 3, so I changed the command to false. Let's run it. We can see the difference mentioned. It's possible to see the program in the mobile with my IP and this number. That's all. I really hope you like it.